Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. Guys, I've got some very bullish news to share with you all. Google has lifted its ban on crypto search ads. This is significant, and I'm going to break down the many factors and reasons why this is bullish. In addition, there's a launch of CityCoins, where cities across the United States can launch your own coins and you can earn rewards for staking, like Bitcoin rewards and so on and so forth. And Miami is the first city to do it. So Mayor Francis, who I've interviewed, he's doing his thing to push crypto. In addition, guys, Miami is also doing something with Algorand, and I want to break that down on why that's significant. And I hold Algorand in my portfolio, so this is very important. And the SEC is up to their normal BS again, pushing back the decision on approving a Bitcoin ETF. We're going to break it all down. Before we do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, I have a free weekly newsletter. Once again, it's free. Be sure to sign up, link in the description. OKCoin, an exchange that I just recently started working for, they have the lowest fees around, guys. Why pay high fees to other exchanges? Use the money, use the savings to put towards your crypto, or just keep the respective difference in the fees, right? So sign up with OKCoin, link in the description. It's a great exchange, and once again, the lowest fees. The market, not much happening. Bitcoin over $37,000, Ethereum over $2,600, Binance Coin near $400, Cardano at $1.73, and Dogecoin over 41 cents. XRP dropped a bit. It's at $1.01 here. So we're, of course, waiting for Bitcoin to break out. And, those of you who may be still worried about Bitcoin and all the FUD about China banning and this and that and yada, yada. Well, Jason Yanowitz, who works at Blockworks, he tweeted the following, which outlined all the Bitcoin Antifragility events, all the FUD events, right? Satoshi leaving, Silk Road, Mt. Gox hack, double spin and fork, Bitfinex hack, losing renminbi payments rails, US backing blockage, and all kinds of crap. BitConnect, BitLicense. Bitcoin has been through so many things over the years. Many people have wrote it off. Warren Buffett has called it rat poison. There's the Tether FUD. Then you had the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV hash wars, and oh my goodness, the list goes on and on. The point of why we're talking about this is that if you're new to the market, these things are not new, right? And Bitcoin has gone through so many things. People have written it off, said it was dead, yet it's still alive. It still keeps going up in value because of its core principles of a supply cap, right? It is deflationary. It's a deflationary asset. It is not inflationary like fiat currencies, and it has the same principles as gold, but even more advanced principles, because you can obviously it's digital, right? And you can move it around very easily, store it very easily, jump in and out of it very easily, and it's immutable. Obviously the blockchain is global, borderless, all of those things. You guys know about this. So I just want to remind you guys of that, and I thought this tweet was really good, just outlining the facts of look at all these things that it has gone through, yet it has survived. So even when these different countries and different people come out against it, it doesn't matter. It's like the statement some people have made, Bitcoin doesn't care. And guys, the big news of the day. Search giant Google lifts 2018 ban on crypto exchange wallet advertisements. The new policy allows customers that have cleared rigorous regulatory hurdles to post ads. Guys, this is so significant because what have we been talking about for years? If you've been a subscriber of this channel, that mass marketing is coming and we're already starting to see it. And a big part of that is the digital marketing aspect, right? I'm part of digital marketing. I do that for a living. I do search engine optimization. And I know a lot of ad money, millions are being spent on Google search ads and display ads. And many of you see the ads on YouTube. It's part of the Google display network. And we see obviously some of the, the spam ads that Google allows to run on YouTube. So they have to get better at that. But long story short, guys, the TLDR of this is significant. One, This is not a decision the folks at Google just woke up and decided to do overnight. They've been watching, studying, and making their decisions. I know how they operate because I'm in the digital marketing space. We've had Google reps at companies I've worked at. And the fact that they're doing this shows they see the asset class on the rise and they know money is coming, mass marketing is coming. So they need to open up the avenues here for people to spend and get in front of things. And, the Coinbase IPO that happened obviously a few months back was significant. It further validated the market. And now they're going to allow ads from crypto exchanges, guys. And the other aspect of this is I think Google at some point, whether it be this year or next year, is going to participate in cryptocurrencies, whether that be they launch their own coin or they're accepting cryptocurrency as payments in their Google merchant services and Google shopping and so forth, right? That you can pay with Bitcoin or whatever it may be. And once again, it wouldn't surprise me if they launched their own coin, honestly. So in a surprise move on Wednesday, online advertising behemoth Google lifted a nearly 3-year-old policy banning cryptocurrency exchanges from using its ad services. Here's a quote. Beginning August 3rd, advertisers offering cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets targeting the United States may advertise those products and services when they meet the following requirements and are certified by Google, reads a policy update on the company's support page. It says here the requirements exchanges have to pass included needing to be either registered with FinCEN as a money services business and with at least one state as a money transmitter or a federal or state chartered bank entity. Now, this is significant. The state chartered bank entity, we see a lot of states are doing that. The OCC under Brian Brooks, so you guys remember that, where he passed the clarity that crypto exchanges could file to become these digital banks. And we see a lot of exchanges and companies are doing that. So potentially opening the door to ads from services like Anchorage and Paxos. The new policy won't open the door to the vast majority of crypto institutions. However, as ads for initial coin offerings, DeFi trading protocols, or otherwise promoting the purchase, sale, or trade of cryptocurrencies or related products all continue to be prohibited. News and chart aggregators, as well as signals and analyst services, also remain on the ad blacklist. Now, crawl, walk, run, right? They open it up to just the small section of these respective exchanges that have these respective licenses registered with the FinCEN. Eventually, they're going to open it up more, right? Obviously. So this is a move in the right direction, guys. I hope you understand what's happening here and the fact that Google's doing this. So Google's policies around crypto ads have often been conflicting, and at points, experts have decried them as unfair. Throughout 2018, the search giant flip-flopped on an exchange ad ban, and one point had Ethereum as blacklisted in word and ads, and despite the strict policies, still occasionally allowed scam projects to slip through. And we see that on YouTube, right? They need to do a better job there, of course. So very bullish in my opinion. The new advertisement policy means that United States-based crypto aficionados may soon be bombarded with ads. Binance.US and FTX are currently battling to carve out stateside market share, with FTX in particular willing to spend on unconventional advertising venues. They recently took over the Miami Heat arena in Miami, of course, in Florida, and that's big, right? You have this mass marketing that's taking place. Now, I want to talk to you guys about CityCoins. This is very interesting. So today, join Freehold, or I should say Freehold, that's just their Twitter handle, and members of the Stacks community are announcing CityCoins, citycoins.co, with Miami Coin MIA being the first CityCoin. CityCoins let you invest in your favorite city while earning for yourself. Here's how. CityCoins runs on Stacks, XTX. They're mined by forwarding XTX to a smart contract on Bitcoin. 30% of the STX goes to the wallet reserved by the city. 70% goes to the coin holders. The city can use that money to serve its citizens. Think infrastructure, city events, recruiting startups, and more. City coin holders can stack their coins to earn STX and Bitcoin. Everybody wins. So CityCoins can also incentivize residents via rewards for community service, building apps for the city, discounts for hodling. And here's their website, and you can see it says CityCoins are cryptocurrency that allow you to support your favorite cities while earning yield in Bitcoin. Guys, do you see what's happening here? I mean, this is pretty amazing and unprecedented. And here, Mayor Francis, who I interviewed back 3 months back, the guy's bullish on crypto, Bitcoin. He wants to put Bitcoin in balance sheet, have the government officials paid in Bitcoin. And he tweeted the following: check out this on the first city coin being, of course, Miami coin. And if we see this across the United States, it's just going to be amazing. The infrastructure, the ecosystem being built for crypto, and you're going to have interoperability between all of these different cryptos and digital assets. It's amazing. We've talked about it on this channel, guys. The token economy, right? The tokenization of different things, a lot of items on the blockchain. Speaking of Miami, and we have a lot of news here in Miami, the Bitcoin conference in Miami this week, which I wish I was attending, is set to be the biggest Bitcoin conference in history at over 12,000 attendees. So we're seeing, once again, the maturation, the growing of the asset class. And you're seeing it on multiple fronts, whether it be conference, adoption, so on and so forth. Bullish, in my opinion. Now, check this out. Algorand. You guys know I hold Algorand in my portfolio. I've got about 5% of my portfolio dedicated to it. I've interviewed the COO of Algorand. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description to it. But Borderless to launch $25 million Miami blockchain fund with Algorand and Circle. Miami was chosen because of its blockchain and crypto-friendly outlook. Mayor Francis is doing a great job, man. So Borderless.Miami will help local companies build platforms for payments and capital markets leveraging Algorand technology, according to an emailed announcement Wednesday. Features of USDC and Circle business services built on Algorand blockchain will also be part of the venture. So Circle, as you guys know, the creator of the USDC, I've interviewed Jeremy Allaire, who's the CEO of Algorand, of course, of Circle, and they have USDC, which has been doing great. So we are just seeing massive infrastructure build out, and this is the news you need to pay attention to, guys. I know it's not sexy, I know it's not the price going up, but these are the things that are going to lead to higher prices. We're seeing adoption building, and you're going to see a lot more investments coming in. So Miami was chosen because, okay, I already read that for you guys, but here's a quote. With the support of Algorand, Circle, and other top local partners, we're building an ecosystem in line with our vision for Miami. Mayor Suarez said, I'm excited to work with Borderless.Miami to make Miami the epicenter for digital capital markets in our pursuit of becoming the capital of capital. I love it. Awesome. Now, I hate to end on a bad note, but we got to call out the SEC. We got to put that pressure on. The SEC delays decision on Wisdom Tree Bitcoin ETF application. Wonderful. Lovely. Hope you can hear the sarcasm in my voice there. They continue to drag their feet on this. Look, Goldman Sachs has filed for a Bitcoin ETF. And we'll see what happens. I think there's some lobbying being done by crypto firms. The SEC has been a roadblock for many things, crypto, obviously the ridiculous lawsuit against Ripple over XRP and other companies. And obviously they're holding up Bitcoin ETFs. We have Bitcoin ETFs, multiple getting approved in Brazil, Canada, and other countries across Europe and so forth. And we can't get one in the United States. This is just bullshit. Right? I mean, come on, man. But I think Congress will step in and put the pressure. It's a patience game. Of course, I'm frustrated, I'm annoyed, but we have to be patient, right? But the SEC continues their bullshit. So, guys, I leave it at that. What do you all think about this Google news? I think it's bullish. I think it's a move in the right direction. All of these companies will be participating in crypto in one way or the other. Obviously, Michael Saylor did say, potentially Google could add Bitcoin on their balance sheet the same way Tesla did and MicroStrategy did as a hedge against inflation. We'll see what happens. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I will talk to you all later.